Hi guys, just wanted to talk about a couple really cool bird stones. I found these two on the same, along the same riverbank. They were not quite at the river, but that's a carved wing. It's like totally flat. It's like one of those tokens. Not sure. But same material it looks like, and then right just down from that one was this one. Beautiful bird. It's probably some kind of a tool as well. And then I have a little beaver head. There's his nose. You can see his ear. And he's even got little beaver teeth under there. And then on this side, it's like the whole beaver, and he has his tail wrapped around there. And then I have this one, which is a cute little bird. There's the beak right there. It's open. It's kind of like a chicken or a hen. And on this side, it's like an eye. And then I have this little wolf head. This is the flat side. And that's the 3D. And then I have this little guy, and I kept thinking it was a wolf like this. But then I was looking at it, and this is like a little cottontail, and it's like a little rabbit jumping. And then this way is the rabbit head, face, ear. And then because I have this little rabbit, on this side I see that's his ear, his head, and he's like standing up with his big feet. That's like a jackrabbit. He's like been all carved out. Cool, eh? Have a good day.